explain the autofocus. Make sure you're in the normal mode. If you're not in normal mode, you get stop and control, and you'll rotate from follow mode to normal mode. Must be in normal mode to be able to do autofocus. The other thing is that when we talk about putting the focus tool on there, we're talking about putting the edge of it here, and then the rest of it touches the material. This is a nozzle that you're going to put your paper on when you're shooting your dot through. When we hit the ZU button, we're going to have this page. We're going to hit the gray arrows, and it's going to go down to Z, and we're going to move the head to where it's just above this bottom sensor for the Z axis. Then we'll hit the gray Z again. We'll move to U. We'll bring the table up till it's about 1 inch away. Then we'll gray arrow up on the pendant to autofocus and hit enter. And what I mean by the gray arrows is right here. These two gray arrows will move it up and down. Now it's also going to come with the normal head on there, which has a proximity sensor on there. Remember, when you're on follow mode, that is for the metal head that is on the second controller, and you have no autofocus. Now, going back here, and we'll move forward to the next page, I go through and I check all the buttons on the pendant. Remember, when you're doing a job, you're going to jog the unit to the top right corner, if that's what you've chosen as an origin within LaserCad, and hit the origin button. Then you're going to move to the middle of your plate and go through the whole autofocus thing. Then if you've already downloaded the file, it's already brought the file up for you. If it's a file you're programming from the pendant itself, you'll hit File, find your file, and hit Enter. Now you're ready to hit Start. But like I say, I'd go through and just make sure all the buttons are working. I would recheck the wiring one more time, and I would do a preventative maintenance check, which is check and make sure you got nothing foreign on the mirrors. Take your isotropic alcohol, cleaning them. I would not clean the lens yet, even though it's talking about it here, until you go through the next step, because you want to get it apart and not be able to get it back together. Okay? That should be it.